So, I'm back. We're looking at the Smok RPM40. Going to give it a quick review. Let's go. Now then, how the fuck are you? I am back. Where to begin? I won't bore you. Life gets in the way. Health issues, all sorts of other issues. But I've decided that I'm going to resume, hopefully, doing a few reviews for you. So we'll see. Yeah, they let me out. That's what happened. But don't tell anyone. It'll be all right, won't we? So today, we're going to look at the new Smok RPM40 Real Pod Mod is what it's called. 40. Now, obviously, it's a little cube style. I've got a fucking OBS cube mod here. If you follow me on social media and you saw my last review, which was like fucking 100 years ago, you'll see I raved about these things. And by golly, it still does it. Okay. Bob on. Use it all the time. Use it every single fucking day. But I quite like my pods as well. So Smok brought this out. I thought I'd give it a whirl. Share it with you lot and see what you think. Now, I've already recorded the unboxing. Run through everything that you get with it. Why it was absolutely brand new straight out of the box. So I filled it, left it to soak a while. Let's see what it does. It is variable wattage from 0 to 40 watts. So it's the RPM40, which there you go, hopefully. It'll pick up on it and not my hand, although good luck with that. I've got it at the minute on 30 watts. 30 out of the 40. Let's see what happens. That's all right. I've got the standard mesh coil in. They come with two coils. One that takes the Smok Nord pod coil. Good if you can say it, isn't it? And one that takes a dedicated RPM mesh coil, which is what I've got in. Purely because I favour meshing the old cubes. I thought mesh coils, fucking flavours on point. That's on 30 watts. Have another go. It tastes like it's got a new coil in, if that makes sense. I think it will take a little bit of breaking in. I've got exactly the same juice in both of these. And this coil's been in a few days, and you can tell the difference. Flavour on this one's better, but it's a totally different setup, running 55 watts, that is. So let's crack this old jobby up to max. That's 40 watts, yeah. See what I do. Oh, that's better. That's better for me. Still got that slightly new coil. I can't really describe it, but if you've used mesh coils and fitted a new one, which you will have done, you'll know exactly what I mean, right? So, anyway, there it is. It works well. So far, so good. There's a couple of goes I've had. Let's cut to that close-up of the unboxing from the overhead, and I'll show you a little bit more about it. Yeah? See you in a minute. Okie dokie, here it is, look, excuse me. Fuck me. Right, it came with this sleeve over it. But the fucking hard work to get out, so I took the liberty of doing that first. What's in the box then? So, off with the lid. You get quite a comprehensive user manual, which tells you all about it, all how to use it and everything. I read it, which is unusual for me, and it's good. You get a little scratch and sniff authentication card from Smok, whatever they're called. I think they're called Smoke, but I call them Smok because smoking's bad. Okay. Obviously, you get your mod, your pod mod. You get your USB charging cable, and you get two pods. You get this one that takes the Nord coils, excuse me, straight in there, 0.6 Nord coil already fitted, and on the filler flap is clearly written Nord, if the camera will pick it up. You also get the dedicated mesh one with RPM on the red filler flap, yeah, and the mesh coil fitted like that. Lovely, all ready to rock and roll. You can see there's little clippy bits there that hold it in the mod, and you got your air either side and your mouthpiece, so it only fits 180 degrees. It'll go that way or that way, but not the other way, because it don't. Yeah, so you can't put it in wrong. In it goes, and there you go. Bob's your uncle, ready to rock and roll. Comes fully charged as well, so we're good to go. Let's go back and have a vape on it. Right, so yeah, it's a dinky little thing, you know. It's smaller than the Cube, which is not massive. What I really, really fucking like is about a year or so ago, 18650s were losing favour, and we were going 2700s, 21700s, stacking, doubling, fucking massive big chunks of shit. You know, everyone who knows me knows that I was a dedicated Meccan RDA vaper, and had this big fucking thing that blew massive clouds, and I used to love it. My health needs, without going into it, and certainly my tastes have changed, and this is more than enough. So things like this pod and other ones, I'll do another review after this one, are starting to really fucking float my boat, to be honest. You know, it's like it's come full circle. It's like when vaping first started, you had them little ego fucking stick pen things. You had cigalikes to start with. Those of you who are as old as me can remember cigalikes. Fucking, they were shit. Anyway, then it went on to ego pen things that you got off the market for fucking £2.50 or something, and filled them full of some dodgy fucking PG-based high nicotine shit. And they were better for you than smoking, but a lot less desirable at the time, you know. Anyway, things have moved on. Technology's changed. Things have evolved. We've gone through all of that mega fucking mech mod RDA and blah blah blah. No one's fucking producing that shit on the scale they were before, and the reason is these fucking bad boys are taking over. They're more convenient, they're self-contained. You just pop a coil, put a fresh one in, carry on vaping. This even comes fully fucking charged, so it really is plug and play. Fill it from the off and fucking off you go. You know, you can't get easier than that, which to me is a good thing, because that convenience and the performance and the styling and the size and all of that shit leads it to being more desirable to the masses, which means less people will smoke, more lives will be fucking saved, innit? So let's have a bit more of a look. Let me have another vape. I'm quite liking this. You guys absolutely flat out. See, my autofocus is good a bit. You can tell I'm a bit rusty. I don't remember if I've done a review on this fucking phone, to be fair, so even the phone's a bit fucking rusty, isn't it? But we're getting there. We're getting there. Let's have a look at what it does then. So you got your power button, 5 clicks. That'll turn it off. Another 5 clicks. Turn it back on. There it comes, wakey wakey. There's your screen with your power settings. Let's go for a fucking there you go. There's your screen with your power settings. You can change the colour. It's got a puff count. It tells you the resistance of your coil and the voltage it's running at when you fire it, if it'll hold focus, which it won't. Right, power buttons. Press them together. Wattage locked. It won't go up and down in your pocket. It won't do fuck all. It'll fire, but you 5-click it to stop that happening. Press them again. Wattage unlocked. Okay. Power down button and your fire button together. I'm desperately trying to get this to focus on this and not me. I know I'm far better looking. But here we go. Press them together when the screen's lit. Yeah. And it'll clear the puff count. Swap over. So power up and fire button, and it will change the colour of the display. So I've got purple because it's purple. Oh. Once, green, white, red, etc, etc, until you're back where you were. So 2 of them will lock it and unlock it. 5 of them will turn it off and on. That and that will clear your fucking puff count if you want to keep control. That and that will change the colour. Fucking boom, Bob's your uncle. It's not complicated, is it? Get a USB lead as you saw in the close-up. So if you want to use your phone charger or your laptop or whatever else you charge things off, good to go. I actually use these on my watch charger and shit like that because these are good. They're all right. So far, so fucking good. So when it comes to coils, you've got this, got a dedicated RPM coil that comes in the pod with a red tab and RPM written on it. So you're going to get some of them if you want to recoil it. And you've got the Smok Nord in this pod. Same again, get some of them, change it should you use it, want to change it. My only criticism so far, and it is early days, is that you don't get any fucking spare coils with it. I would imagine, based on my pod usage on other devices, and it is a wild fucking guess, that it's going to last a week or so, maybe longer. But come on, you know, I know they're not expensive, but you could fucking push the boat out and give us some spare coils, a couple of spare coils, please, Smok, if you're watching. That would really help, and it can't hurt sales, which is a good thing. So, comes in a myriad of colours. We only had the purple ones in when I picked one up to do this review, so I got a purple one which I quite like. But they do fucking loads. It's got to be something that suits you. So it's small, discreet, packs a punch, does the fucking business, nice and simple to use, and it performs. That 40 watts is probably the nicest vape from a pod that I've had to date. It's quite Smok Nord with this mouthpiece, which I don't mind. Some people might not like it. There's no adjustable airflow, which again I don't mind. Some people might not like it, but certainly worth a fucking go. You know, it does it. It does it very, very well. So, nice and simple. It proper works. And it's nice in your hand, good to look at. What's not to like? I will say, for the first time in a long time, it's a winner chicken fucking dinner. Get on, absolutely fucking crack on. Smok RPM40. If you fancy a new pod, or you want to encourage someone to fucking drop the dreaded cancer sticks, you could do far worse than trying one of these. Innit? Dead simple. There you have it. Thanks for watching. I intend to be back on a much more regular basis. Now they've let me out. And I'll see you again. Yeah? Big love, everyone. And remember, smoking kills, vaping saves lives. Which do you choose? I'll see you all again real soon.